Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten and I'm a writer and content strategist. A couple of weeks ago, I talked about how to choose a good focus keyword for your blog post. I will put a link to that video down below. What we'll cover today is just how to use that keyword. So we're assuming that you have a keyword already picked out. Let's use this as an example. The answer is 9, just in case anyone's wondering. So there are a few places where you should put this keyword, and the first is in the title of the blog post. Most blogging platforms create the URL based on the title, and this is important. You want that keyword in the URL. Your blog post is going to have headings and subheadings, or it should. In a later video, we'll go over the structure of a good blog post. And you need to incorporate your keyword in some of those headings. Partial keywords have value as well, which is good because using a keyword like this in every heading would be ridiculous. Your blog post just wouldn't flow very well. Then you need to look at your meta description. This is the blurb that Google displays in search results. If you don't put in a meta description, Google will just use the first couple of lines of the body of your blog post, and that may not be ideal. If your blogging platform does not provide a space for you to enter the meta description, see if you can find an add-on that will allow you to do it. And finally, you need to use the keyword in the body of the blog post itself. Keyword density of around 2% is considered ideal. So for every 100 words, you would use the keyword twice. Just be aware that there is such a thing as too much when it comes to this. If you use your keyword too much, the likes of Google will assume that you're trying to play the system and they will penalize you, and you're going to want to avoid that. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.